Namaste everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel after a long time. Okay, I came here after a long time.
Quick disclaimer before starting the video. So this video is going to be very non-formal because of my excitement as well as my lack of preparation, because I just sit and shooted this video as I get my parcel. And also throughout the video I have one of my dearest friend, and her name is Makhi. Yeah, Makhi. So yeah, enjoy.
So today I'm gonna do my first ever unboxing of my books. तो ये बुक्स मैंने मंगाई है किताबें से और ये वाली बुक्स मैंने मंगाई है मूनशाइन से. So I'm gonna unbox these books today. This box contains 10 books and this box contains only 3 books. Ta-da! So let's do it. Ta-da! Okay, so here is a note. Okay, so here is this note. This note says, "Hello Mansi, welcome to Moonshine Bookstore that loves you. We promise to have your back whenever you need books. Stay safe." Thank you Moonshine for these books. So the first book is The Heart of India. So you can't see its name, but it is The Heart of India. And this book contains a collection of stories. So yeah, I'm very excited to read this book, especially. Oh God. And this is the second book, which is kind of rare book, so I just grab it. The Steve Jobs Way. And this is the third book, which is a kind of exercise book, and its name is The Exercise of Whole Brain. And it contains so many exercise for our brains, but I just kind of wanted this book. I'll tell you after reading all these books how's the experience. I'm very excited to read all of these books. And now let's come to the Kitabe Hall. Okay. So this book mail I got from Kitabe. It is basically a mystery box. It contains 10 books, and yeah, Kitabe is you must check this Kitabe store because it is very good. Although Moonshine is also very good, it has like nice collection of books. Okay, so this is a Kitabe mystery box, and I'm really excited to open this. Okay, so in this, I got 4 bookmarks. Ta-da! Okay, so the first one says, "Books are the purest." True. Oh, Harry Potter one. When in doubt, go to library. Understand? I just love these.
Don't touch my mystery ball.
I just love these. Okay, so yeah, let's go to the books. I am really very excited. Let me tell you that all these books are like friction, mixed friction, and also these are the second hand books, and these are also the second hand books. पहले मैं क्या सोचती थी कि second hand books I should not buy second hand books क्योंकि जब books लेनी है तो नई ले लो. But later I start vibing with the old books, like
the yellow pages of the old books and the smell of old books, and every book contains a story. when it is in the other hands and now it comes to my hand and I will give you a lot of love, my baby.
So yeah, I just like enjoy the vibe of old books. And
Yeah, I'm very excited. I can't tell you.
so the first book is The Last Kingdom. The second book is The Lilac Bus. And the third book is The Cobra by Frederick Fosty. And the fourth book is Rogue Lawyer. And another book is, the fifth one is Shadow Watch, Power Play Shadow Watch. And the sixth book is Historical Botanics. Yeah, I just love the cover of this book. And another seventh book is A Spot of. And the eighth book is The Sleeping Doll. Excited to read this. Okay, so the ninth book is Ashes to Ashes by Tammy Hawk. And the last book is Rage by Wilbur Smith. Rage by Wilbur Smith. So these are all my books from Kitabe. A very very big thanks to Kitabe and also to Moonshine. And yeah, I'll mention their links, website link or Instagram links in the description box. So just go and check. Like, they are not too much costly. And
And also they are so interesting. I just love this mystery box and I just love these like bookmarks, whole bookmarks, and I just love these books.
now, quality is superb of all these books. And yeah, they have also a good quality, like okay quality, not too good, but yeah, I can keep them for a long time. Okay, so let me tell you, I got this full like these whole 10 books in just 1,000 rupees. And oh my god, in 1,000 rupees I got 10 books. Like seriously, Kitabe is super good. There are more mystery box too, like which are of 1,500, and they'll contain maybe 15 books, or no, more than maybe 18 books, I don't know. But you can just go and check the link in the description. Okay, so I just wanted to thank Kitabe and Moonshine. And one more thing which I wanted to mention about Kitabe is I really love this fact that whatever they earn from these books, they just donate it, like they give it to charity. So yeah, you must buy from them as well as from Moonshine, because they have like pretty good collection of books, old books and new books also. So I'll mention the link in the description. Just go and check. And I am very excited to read all of these books. And yeah, happy reading! And one more thing, I will be reviewing all of these books and these books one by one. So hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I post any video. And give a big fat thumbs up to this video. And one more thing I wanted to know is कि मैं कौन सी book पहले पढूं. So you can help me out with this. If you have read any of these books, you can mention in the comment box. And if you want any of these books review, just mention in the comment box and I will be like super active from this video on my YouTube channel as well as on my Instagram. And I will mention my Instagram accounts link in description so you can follow me there also. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.